If you've got kids or grandkids, then you've got stuffed animals. And you know what? It's something most of us don't ever think about cleaning, but they absorb dust and dirt on a regular basis, and there's an easy way to take care of that. First of all, you're going to get an appropriate sized bag to put them in. Then just put it in. Now this is a garbage bag that I'm using here. You can use whatever you have. Put in about a ½ cup of regular table salt. Sprinkle it in really well. Then you're going to pull that bag up around the animal, and you're going to want to get a good tight grip on it so you don't shake salt all over. Then you're going to do what I call the shake, shake, shake. Do it a few times. Let that salt get in there and absorb all of that dirt, all of that dust. When you're done, take it outside because you don't want another mess in the house. Take a brush, brush the salt out of the animal, and you'll be amazed at the dirt that comes out too and how great they look. Now, if odor is a problem, use baking soda instead of salt. And if you want to do a whole bunch of them, throw them in the dryer on air fluff, no heat. Just put them in, let them flip around for about 10 minutes. So go check out those stuffed animals and see if you don't think they need a little bit of TLC. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.